If you have the Action 6, check out this accessory. This is a grip cage for the Action 6. Also would fit the Action 5 and probably the Action 4, but look at this. You slide this thing on, slide your camera in, close it, it locks into place. You can easily unlock it there. All of the buttons and USB ports are still available, and you can even access your battery on this side just by undoing it there. It gives you mounting options for portrait, and also you have your locking mechanisms down here for landscape. So it does work with your regular mounts, and also gives you quarter thread. So that's really nice. So it's a very strong cage. If you're rock climbing or, putting this thing down below your skateboard and you don't want to, get it scratched too much, this is going to be very well protected for that. So this is a shooting grip, just kind of making it easier to hold and record. So let's go ahead and pop this thing on. It just has it has the magnetic mount, so you can even do it down here if you want to grip it that way, but mainly you're going to use it this way right here. So you have the grip. It's also got mounts on the side here, and yeah, easy to take on and off. Just pinch these buttons, and you also have a wrist strap. So if you drop it, whoop, you're good. So you're gonna hold it. It's got really good grip to it, really good material, and feels solid in your hand. It also gives you a cold shoe up here at the top, and it gives you a quarter thread mount down there. And it gives you this cold shoe accessory that you're gonna pop on. So we can just pop it on like this, and then we're gonna shut it. And now you actually have a little shutter on the grip. So if I wanna start and stop the videos. And I love how that shutter button also works in the front and the back of the grip. So you can either use your thumb or you can use your index finger to start and stop the recording. It just makes it easier. You can be holding it if you're, walking around town and, getting some cool footage or action footage. It's easy to hold it there, press the button, start and stop recording. And yeah, it's really quality made. Great accessory for the Action cameras, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.